Today I'm going to show you a few images that I edited with the Noble presets for Lightroom. I do have my screen cropped to protect the creator's hard work. So if you are interested in purchasing these presets, make sure to visit the website, which is linked in the description. Okay, so I am going to start off by putting Noble's signature on this image. And I am going to increase my exposure. Perfect. I'm going to bring the highlights down just a tad. Okay, and I'm gonna zoom in and take a look at her skin tone. I feel like it could be a tad warmer. That's pretty. And maybe a tad more magenta just for my style. Perfect. Okay, so one thing that I would do, which you don't have to do, but I would come down here and make sure that this is set for my lens, and that should brightens up the whole image. And honestly, now that I see that, I would come down here and lower the exposure just a tad. So here is the before. Here is just with the straight preset on here, and here is how I have tweaked it just a bit. Okay, so the next one is an outdoor image. Let me go ahead and crop this in, crop out that doorway just a bit. Here's Noble's signature. Again, I am going to bring my exposure up, bring my highlights down, do a skin check. She's looking a little green here, so let me bump that up, and I'll bump up the warmth as well. A little bit more. Okay, that looks pretty good. I would increase the exposure a bit and select that from my camera. So that's about how I would edit it. Honestly, actually, now that I see it, I would increase the shadows a little bit. And the darkness. Bring the darkness up. Okay. So here is the before. And here is the after. Okay, and this is one of my favorite images. She just looks so beautiful here. Okay. So Noble's signature is applied, and she looks pretty green, pretty dark. So we're gonna bring up the exposure quite a bit for that creamy skin tone. Perfect. All right, and I'm going to bring up the magentas. Yeah, that's better. And I'm gonna warm her skin up just a little bit. There we go, that looks a lot better. Okay. Honestly, I think that looks perfect. I might come in and retouch a little bit of her skin, but other than that, that's pretty much what I would do. So here is the before. Here's with just the preset applied, and here is after I've tweaked it a little bit. So, oh my gosh, I just really love this image. Okay guys, and one more, I'm gonna show you the black and white. So let me create a copy and reset it. The Noble black and white is what I use for all of my black and white images. It is really, really good. Okay, a little dark. Let me increase this exposure. Oh, so pretty. And I will say the Noble black and white is pretty heavy on the grain, so I do soften the grain a little bit. But other than that, that's all I have to do. Their black and white preset is just really, really beautiful. And if you want to, for your style, you can adjust how dark or how light the blacks are. So if you want a really heavy contrasty image, you can definitely make that happen. So, all right guys, here is that before. Here's with the black and white applied. And here is after I've edited it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this demo of the Noble presets. If you're interested, go ahead and check out their website, and they also have a Facebook group that you can join. If you haven't already, make sure you click that like button and subscribe to my channel.